Let me quickly share the email with you so you understand the reasons why these 30,000 people lost their job via an email in one day. So this is a copy of the email from Business Insider, and I want us to go through it so you understand what is going on here. It says, we are sharing some difficult news regarding your position. After careful consideration of Oracle's current business needs, we have made the decision to eliminate your role as part of a broader organizational change. As a working day, we are grateful for your dedication, hard work, and the impact you have made during your time with us. After signing your termination paper, you will be eligible to receive a severance package subject to the terms and conditions of the severance plan. You will receive an email from DocuSign to your Oracle email address with details on your severance and termination date. Immediate action required to receive important follow-up information, including FAQs and separation documents to help you through this transition. You must provide a personal email address. Please click here to submit a personal email address immediately. If you make a submission error, please re-enter a new form. Please note, the personal email address will only be used for correspondence regarding separation-related information and severance agreements. Access to your computer, email, voicemail, and files will be deactivated soon, and you will be unable to log into your computer. As a reminder, you are prohibited from downloading, copying, or retaining, including emailing yourself, any Oracle confidential information.